Java, oh Java, this programming language is a titan, it's everywhere. From phones to servers, Java powers our digital lives. Since its debut, Java has consistently evolved. New versions bring exciting features. Java 17 is no different, it's a big leap forward. Java 17 introduces sealed classes. They give developers more control. How? By restricting which other classes can inherit from them. Records are another big addition. They simplify data-heavy code. Think of them as streamlined classes. They're perfect for representing data structures. Pattern matching for switch statements got a boost. It's now more powerful and flexible. Developers can write cleaner, more expressive code. Java 17 didn't just add new features, it also polished existing ones. The garbage collection mechanism saw improvements. This means better memory management and performance. The Stream API got some love too. New methods offer more ways to manipulate data streams. Developers will appreciate these time-saving additions. Security is paramount. Java 17 strengthens its security features. This ensures that Java applications remain resilient against threats. Section 4, Java 17, a boon for developers and the language's upward trajectory. The enhancements in Java 17 have a clear impact. Developers benefit from increased productivity and code readability. The language itself becomes more robust, secure, and expressive. Java's commitment to backward compatibility is commendable. This ensures that older applications continue to run smoothly. Java 17 demonstrates that the language is evolving gracefully. It adapts to the changing landscape of software development. Section 5. Looking ahead, Java's future remains bright. Java's journey is far from over. With each new version, it solidifies its position as a leading programming language. The future holds exciting possibilities for Java. Emerging technologies like cloud computing and artificial intelligence will undoubtedly shape its trajectory. One thing is certain: Java is here to stay. Java's ability to adapt and innovate will secure its relevance for years to come. It remains a powerful tool for developers worldwide.